So here's our 2016 GMC Canyon all-terrain 4x4. 13,000 miles on it. Really nice truck. Obviously it's black here. This truck actually comes to us as a salvage title. There's no flood damage, and actually the collision damage was very, very minor. It was just down here on the box side, this very lower corner, and just the back corner of the cab corner. Let's see. Oh, sorry, it's a little dirty here. You can see this is all dust that wipes off. You can see the inside here. It was honestly, it was just this little bit here. So this was damaged. It was cut out. So because of that, we had to put the whole box side on it. And then the cab corner was repaired. And there was a few scratches, and I believe there was a few little dents here along the back edge of the door, so the door was refinished. It wasn't replaced. It wasn't really dented at all. It was basically just paint scratched there. So unfortunately it is a little dirty today, but I promise these are not scratches. These, as you can see, everything wipes off here. It's just a little dirt here. But it's a very, very, very clean truck. Absolutely nothing touched on the front of the truck, nothing on the passenger side. Nothing else in the pickup box other than what you saw there. Very clean in here. All of this is 100% untouched. Not one little fastener underneath the, well, the whole front half of the vehicle wasn't touched whatsoever. No dings or scratches or anything like that that I can find on the truck anyplace. Very nice, clean. We have been driving this truck daily since the repairs have been done. No issues whatsoever. You can see the tire tread here looks, I would say probably about 80% tread life left. This does have a backup camera here. Of course, hitch down below. We have spray and bed liner inside the bed itself, and then there is a rubber mat as well. I don't know how well you can see in here, but there was absolutely no damage done, no repairs whatsoever on the inside of the box. There was no inner structure damage whatsoever, no damage to the floor of the bed at all. No damage to the forward, if you want to call it the bulkhead, or the far forward side of the bed there. We got the nice 3-panel, or 4-panel actually, tonneau cover. Bed shuts nicely. Of course, as you can see, the gaps great. I mean, there's no issues there whatsoever. Surprising, I'm not sure what the deal was. I believe this truck here actually is kind of one of those candidates. You see the commercials on TV all the time of if your truck sustains more than $1,000 worth of damage, they will in the first year of ownership, your insurance company will buy it from you and get you the same vehicle. Basically as a replacement, free replacement program, I believe they call it on TV. I believe that was the case here. There was absolutely no airbags deployed. All the repairs were done at the dealership, GM dealership. So they did the paint and the box side. We actually did nothing to this truck ourselves. I believe we just kind of wiped down the interior a little bit in here, and that was it. See, it does have heated seats. Here we got trailer tow package, traction control, that's our bed lights. I'm not quite sure, downhill speed or something like that. I'm not sure what that one is. Looks like we do not have an owner's manual for it. It does have remote start. And I'll go ahead and open the door. It just kind of shuts everything off. And we'll go ahead and do a fresh restart. And as you can see, my hand's up here. I'm not clearing anything on you. There's no check engine lights whatsoever. And I don't know how well you can see that, but there's currently 13,395 miles on this truck. And here we've got your headlights and push button, or knob if you will, 4-wheel drive, 2 high auto, 4 high, 4 low. Kind of give you some sunglass holder or dome lights, but just to kind of let you see the inside of the truck here a little bit lit up. This is actually set to auto right now. Those are fan speeds. So it's got auto climate control. There was no damage to the windows in the back or anything. We can go ahead and go for a little test drive. Truck runs and drives great. Honestly, I can't really tell you how many miles we've driven it since the repairs. I know it's been driven a fair amount. I believe at least 500 miles it's been driven, possibly 1,000 miles. There's no issues whatsoever. Everything works 100% just like brand new. I locked the speed there at 60 miles an hour. You go ahead and let go of the steering wheel. I'm not touching the steering wheel at all. We're still going 60 miles an hour and we're still going straight down the road. Actually, still not touching it here. Alignment's great. There's no issues here whatsoever that we can see. Everything in the truck works. Heat, AC, mirrors, power, everything. It all works just like a brand new truck. Go ahead and turn around here. Of course, hitting the brakes pretty good. And I'll floor it. that's going to conclude our test drive for the day. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email. Thank you very much and have a good day.